Is the SuperPayMe app really an easy way to earn from your phone, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael and I love testing different ways to make some extra money online, and it's very convenient when you can actually do it from your phone because it just makes it a lot faster to get access to. And recently SuperPayMe launched an app, and in this SuperPayMe app review I'll give you an inside look and show what it offers and if it's really a great way to earn some extra money or not. So let's start by going over who can join. And SuperPayMe is a website that I have talked about before because I have actually used it for years, and let me just reveal right away that it is legit. I have been paid by it many times and they actually have good support, one of the best supports when it comes to get paid to site in my personal experience. But they have now launched an app, so now you can also use it on iOS devices and Android devices through the app, which makes it more convenient in some ways. And I wanted to tell you about this because this is relatively new as of recording this video anyways, and then I will show you both the pros and the cons of the app so you know whether you should use it or not. But just to make it clear, you can use SuperPayMe itself from basically all countries. The app might not be available in all countries, I cannot know for sure, but if you have tried to download the app or will try, please let me know in a comment below which country you're from and if it's available or not. But no matter what, SuperPayMe itself is available in basically all countries. But let me now then give you an inside look of the app and show you the pros and the cons of using it so you can find out if you should download it or not. So I have now opened the SuperPayMe app, and it is actually quite user-friendly, and it reminds me very much of the website. So if you're used to using the website, it will be quite familiar to you. But the great thing is it's easy to get an overview. You can just see the bottom menu here, and then you can see, for example, now I go to this one, Make Money, and this is where you can find the surveys. So the surveys are not found in something called Paid Service here. That's just something to be aware of. But then you can scroll down and you can see all the different survey providers they are working with. And SuperPayMe does work with a lot of survey providers, so as you can see, you can get access to a lot of paid service. Of course, how it is with all paid service sites and survey apps is that how many surveys you get access to will vary a lot depending on the country you live in. In some countries you can see maybe you can earn up to like $40 per day. That is very hard, I must say, just with one survey provider, but theoretically it could be possible. And you see this one, for example, up to $8 per survey. But that's of course not very often that will happen, and in some countries you will find it hard to find many surveys, while in others you can definitely earn some nice extra money just by using these paid surveys here, because there are a lot from your phone. And the great thing about having access to paid service from your phone is that you can just take a survey once in a while when you have a bit of extra time instead of having to turn on your computer and things like this. So that's definitely a good option. But let's also talk about the offer walls, which is the other main earning method that SuperPayMe offers. So I now jump to the offer walls section here, and here you can find the different offer walls they have integrated. If you're used to using get paid to websites and apps, then they will be familiar with you. Many of them are the same ones, so you can find them here. The rewards you get through the offer walls here on SuperPayMe are quite decent, I would say, maybe a little bit above average compared to most other get paid to sites, so definitely can be a good way. You can also take these exact same ones, of course, on the website. The good thing about having an app when it comes to offer walls in general is that many of these offers needs to be done from a phone, especially if you want to take these gaming offers where you get paid to play a game or for a certain amount of time or levels, or you need to do other things there from your phone. Then it just can be easier, download a specific app or something like that. But of course there are also some things that might be easier to do from your computer. So what is best really depends on the exact offer, but some of the offers definitely can be good to do from your phone and can also pay quite well, and some of them actually require you to use your phone. So that's why I think it's actually really great that SuperPayMe now also has an app that offers that. So I just want to talk about one more way you can earn inside SuperPayMe, whether you use the website or the app, and that is that they have these cash contests. They have a quarterly cash contest with the top earners. So that one is one you just participate in just by being an active member. They give up to $1,000 in rewards for that one. So it is hard to finish at the top, but it can be something to keep an eye on because that's quite nice extra earnings if you finished in the top 20, because it's the top 20 earners that they give a reward reward too. But they also do have smaller contests quite regularly on their social media platforms. They will show you both that inside the app here and inside on the website and on the social media what you need to do. Often that's like a $10 reward or something like that. So those ones can also be worth keeping an eye on for a chance of winning some nice extra money. But let's talk about how you can get paid also. So when it comes to getting paid, SuperPayMe has some really great options, and I do like that you can now also just easily use your phone, log in here, and then request a payout in one of these methods here. So it offers several ways to get paid in cash and also a few gift cards depending on the country you live in. And I like that they offer both PayPal but also alternative ways to get paid in cash, because some countries they don't allow PayPal. Other times it's just good to also have other options, because sometimes you might have issues with PayPal or you just want to use something else. So then they have like Wise and Skrill also. So I do like that they offer this variation. And what I really like is that they have an 8-hour payment promise. So that means once you reach the payout threshold and request a payout, they will pay you within 8 hours. The first time you cash out, maybe it will take a bit longer because they need to verify that you've done everything honest and all that. But once you have been verified, they really do pay within 8 hours. In my experience, they usually pay within, an hour, even in many cases. And if you want to get paid via PayPal, you only need to earn $1 to get paid. For some of the other payout options, it's like $20 or so. But I really like that they do process the payments this quickly, and also that they have a very low payout threshold. But exactly how to do that, I already have a video where I show a $200 payment proof and show exactly how to withdraw. I'll leave a link in the top corner there. Then you can check that out if you want to see exactly how I do that and see the payment proof, because I have been paid by SuperPayMe many times, so I know that it actually does pay. So to sum it all up, I think it's great that SuperPayMe now has an app. It is more or less actually a copy of the website. It's just available easily on your phone. So many things are still, in my opinion, maybe easier to do on a computer, but some tasks are required to do from your phone, and it's just an easy way to get access to the task when you have a bit of extra time. So I think it's great that they now have launched this app. And if you want to know more about SuperPayMe and how to join, I do have a full written tutorial on my website where there is a joining link at the top, so you can join through that. So that's an easy way to get access to it, whether you want to use the website or the app. So I'll leave a link to that below, so you can check that out. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.